Baliw. Model po ako ng kaning lamig. Wow. Malakad kami ni Dolby. Meron kaming date with my siblings. We're gonna eat outside the room. One, two, three. Peace po. Ganda ng araw. Paalis na kami. Magkikita kami ng mga kapatid ko. Nantek si Don P. Ayun na siya. Wearing his Julamini. Oh, video pa more. Vlogger. Shout out kay Art at saka kay Tiba. Siguro kayo yung nag-subscribe sa akin. Nadagdagan ng 2 subscriber ko. Thank you. Nood kayo video ko ha. Pagtsagaan niyo. Malamig na mainit dito ngayon. Malamig ang hangin pero may sikat ang araw. Sana ako maging sikat din. Wow! Sikat yung boy. Oh, it's cold. Where's Dolphy? At my back. Punta muna kami doon. Maya ulit ng video. Sakay muna kami sa aming nyunyakyan. Diyan. Oh, Dolphy, kaway-kaway ka muna dyan. Yee? Yung pa ganun-ganun. Ganyan yan, nagluloko minsan. Pero babalik din yan. Punta na po kami sa aming venue. Sa Topo House. We're gonna have lunch with our siblings. Birthday celebration nila ni Don P at saka ni nung brother ko. Later, mga kakuracha. Dito na po kami sa aming venue. Nagpa-park si Don P. Ayun, nung Topo House. Tayo muna namin yung aming mga ka-dates. So, andito na kami sa Topo House. Nantay pa namin yung isa.
Everybody here?
No, 2 more.
Okay, wait outside. Just let me know when everybody's here, okay?
Okay. Alright, see. Fried rice. Ayan, seafood fried rice, chef special. Ayan po ang kanilang mga menu dito. Unang subo sa'yo, Te Alice. Tsaka sa mga Junakis, Japokis, everybody. First time namin kakain dito. Eto po, nilalabas kami ng bruha. Sabi pag kumpleto na kami sa daw kami pumasok. Sampalin ko kaya ng kaliwat kanan. Joke. So ayan, mamili na kayo. Anong gusto nyo?
Fried rice.
Ha? Yun nga, seafood fried rice. Ayan, vegetarian kaya ano? Miso white mushroom. So, pag isa-celebrate po namin ang birthday ni Don Paratot at ni Boyet. Happy birthday to you. You and to you. Baka hindi na naman tayo papasukin. Ayan na. Happy birthday!
For you too. Ah, thank you.
Thank you! Papasok na kami mga akuratsya kasi pati-patian muna sila.
Sa sasakyan.
O sige.
Wala pang malulog.
Mamaya mo nalagay. Pwede naman sa ilalim yan ng upuan.
Nalagay ko na pala yan.
Malulusa. Baka
Kasama pa kayo?
Hindi.
Makakalimutan kaya.
Wala ka. Let's go. Si Kuya ando na. So papasok na kami sa loob. Baka hindi na naman kami papasukin. Talaga manggugulpi na. So marami ng tao. Di naman puno. Pero okay lang. Dito na. Kompleto na kami. Ha? Oh, dito na lang oh. Para magtumaas ako ng konti. Maya ulit. Oh. So, kaway-kaway kayo. Kaway-kaway. Say hi to my vlog. So, we're starting to do appetizer. Kimchi, barantot. Ayan po. Titikman natin mga kamuracha. Ano ba yan?
Are you guys ready for order?
Yeah.
Okay then.
No.
You have like a smaller. You have a smaller.
Menu.
No, we don't. We have the QR code or
Oh, dear, here you can scan it.
Sorry, we're not late.
You know, Galbi, not what comes with a Galbi special.
Karibi. So like there's half special, just a la carte, nothing come with it. And this best combo is a small size Karibi, small size seafood soup together, and then one.
Ano to?
Okay, this one is special. What comes with it?
Nothing. Only meat.
Ano yun?
Just the Galbi meat and rice.
Not that
I'm gonna eat this one. Yeah, the Galbi meat for him.
Okay, Karibi, and do you need any rice on the side?
Yes,
Yes.
White or brown?
white rice.
Okay. And how about you, ma'am?
We'll order. How big is your japchae?
Everything is single portion in here.
Oh, okay. We'll order
One japchae, okay. How about you?
We order in bulk, right? Japchae, tsaka fried rice. So,
yeah.
yun lang. Okay na ako doon.
Shipping the
Grace too?
Yes.
I want diet coke.
Ikaw, type.
One more japchae. Okay.
Tikman muna natin. Oo,
So
for
two
group na yan.
japchae total. Okay.
Good for how many people?
the japchae for one because we're gonna order more.
For one japchae, it's not enough for the 6 people if you guys sharing, but 2 japchae will be enough for 6
Okay.
people.
Ayun, nila.
Yeah, and then
What's your one?
Fried rice.
I have boiled tofu, vegetarian,
how spicy?
mild,
Fried rice or brown rice?
white.
And
What's your one? Pancit lang or yeah?
Oh yeah. I like the seafood.
seafood special soup, you said?
Yeah.
Number 2?
Yeah.
How spicy?
Eh kung di masarap yung japchae nila, dalawa agad in order.
Sure. Anything else? Any other drinks? That's it? Okay, got it.
Pork beef, ayaw mo? Ha? Ba? Alam mo, pansit lang yun.
Oh, hindi pa nagluluto.
Okay. Ha? What? Yeah. Mas gusto ko yung japchae ko nilalagay dito.
You like the tofu?
Which one is tofu? So this one is tofu?
Yeah. I being third sheet, shrimp.
So this
What about this? What's that?
Naku, Ate Alice, buti hindi ka sumama. Hindi ka kakain dito. Wala kang kinakain.
Radish, I can't.
Yoko dito.
Nasa mo muna.
Let's just eat it and let's stop. Eat it That's quite sweet.
Naku, may tuktok mga copyright ako. Ha? Grabe ngayon, mahigpit sila sa akin ngayon. Yung dating hindi copyrighted na. Kaya nagkakaproblema ako sa sound eh. Kaya yung natanggal yung sound ko kasi may copyright. Tapos ano ko siya, tinatanggal ko yung sound. At tinanggal ko yung tanang din, yung copyright. Hindi ko may control. Happy birthday to you. Birthday celebration.
Do you like our t-shirts? We are matching t-shirts.
Yeah, we do. He is making painggit to the t-shirt.
We just buy, this is from Little Nose. Oh, I did to breathe.
What can you say, David? You're in candid camera. You're always in candid camera.
I think your itinerary was
We brought
Can you say hi, mga kakuracha? No?
The Royal Caribbean
He's so
Express
busy
is the same as
eating.
yours, but we started
Is
from
tofu,
we started from
right?
Lagos.
Do you like your tofu?
So some passengers actually start from Rome.
So,
but passengers start.
order na po kami mga kakuracha. Ito po si Don Paratot.
So when we boarded in Rome,
I remember that because we met some Filipinos. So they
Ano masasabi mo?
yeah, and there were not a lot of people boarding in Rome. So that's nice.
Very few.
Very few. And you were
Easy
like,
to get on
what's
board.
going on? It's like we're the
Oh,
only
diba?
ones boarding.
Ano mo nalaman sila yung seafood special? Ha? Di ba siligaw mo? No, halo-halo yan.
Where? Where's the
Halo-halo hindi lang.
I hope I can eat.
Mamaya po ulit at masyado na nakakaano na. Yung mukha mo, puro na lang nandiyan. Bye-bye. Later. So, meron po silang tabo dito. Inosente. At si Don Paratot ay gustong-gusto yung appetizer. Ito tofu, kimchi. Ano tawag dito?
Ano gusto mo ito?
What do you call this one?
I don't know. Is it cucumber?
And the other one? Kamatis? What is that? Tofu.
I'm very cold. This is spicy.
It tastes like used garter to me. Of the front. No, just kidding.
I find this too salty.
Which one?
The kimchi.
I find it, I don't find it.
Chingboy, umiyak eh. Gusto pang pumunta sa boba. We don't have time. Later, I'll get you boba. Kasama
You
siya.
want to change?
Yes.
My sister is trying to use the chopstick. She's not good at it.
This one is what?
You make tusok-tusok na lang if you don't. Come on, try it again.
Nilalasa
Te.
ko, hindi ko ma- Pero masarap.
I think it's here.
Vegetarian?
There you go. What is that? Egg?
Yeah.
What is this for?
Sopa.
For soup.
Sopa, soup.
Vegetarian.
What do you call that? Seafood? Seafood? Ano yan? What is that?
Seafood something.
Seafood?
What is that, egg?
Egg? Oh my goodness. I don't know that one. Japchae. Oh, there's the japchae.
Yeah, here. We can share. Can I have pork?
Extra plate.
Can I have pork and extra plate?
Po yung japchae. Dalawang in-order.
Gusto ba dyan? Gusto ka dyan? Oh. Yeah, you could get some of this.
Kain po tayo. May mga... hintayin ko muna yung fried rice. I want fried rice. Wait, ano namang soup yan?
Seafood combo.
Ay, hindi naman ako malakas kumain. Kaya I don't wanna make order. Makikikain na ako. Wait, patapin na. Daw ko lang. It's kind of spicy, ha? Wow, ayan yung iba. Ano naman yan?
Oh, thank you.
Uy, ang dami niya. Mamigay ka. Ano ba yun?
Ano yun?
Bulgogi.
Galbi.
Bulgogi?
Okay, let's eat. Hintayin natin. Di ba order ka ng fried rice? Hindi. Iyon pa naman ang akin.
Akala ko order ka.
Hindi. Akala ko kasi pang lahatan. Ito na lang. Baka hindi ko rin maubos. Kain na po. So ito po ang kinakain namin ng japchae. Let's eat mga kurachap.
Oh yeah, it was boiling when they brought it.
Ano yan, Pat?
Raw egg? Is it raw egg?
You have to put it on the soup.
This way.
Bakit yung mga noodle? Anong maybe ka dyan?
You don't have a high chair?
Ito pong yan.
No, thanks.
Kaya pala nawawala ko ng isang mo.
Sabi ko, di ba pag copyright mo ba, gagawin mo yung ano mo, parang alis pipili ka doon.
Pwede putulin.
Oo, wala naman yung option na maiwan yung boses. Tinignan ko. Akala ko okay na. Nung i-edit ko, nahirapan na ako edit kasi may bayad na rin sa CapCut ngayon. Kaya, hayaan mo na ako. Hindi ko na maalis yung inedit ko. May magbabayad na ako. So, hinayaan ko na lang.
May music sa laro.
Yun nga ito yung ako. Copyright nila. Pero sinasabi nila music niya para sa play or something. May ticket siya eh. Tapos nung inaayos na nila, yung boses ko lang ang tapos wala na akong ano. Yung music na nilagay ko, na lagi kong ginagamit. Lalo pa rin. Ha? No.
I thought there was something wrong with your...
No. Pero mahina talaga kasi...
In the beginning, it was like not on.
No.
You can
Ibang-
hear, but it's...
Iba nire-record ko sa cellphone ko, nakabukas yung once view, yung aming CCTV.
So
Sinunay ko sa
that's
cellphone ko, dapat ang ilalagay mo kung nag-record ka, media, and yung ano, naka-off yung media, ang naka-record lang yung nasa once view. Oo, yung mataas ang ano, malayo sa akin. So nung pinali ko na yung media, nahalata ako na mahina. Kasi na-off ko yung media kasi pagka when I'm doing screen recording, you know. Te. Dami. Sa gitna. Te. Ayun na fried rice. O kuya, kanin. Kaya ano mo nga, ikit na. Kuya, fried rice.
No, still a bread.
Ha?
Let me finish my rice.
Fried rice po.
So we have 2 sets of guests coming.
Guess what?
2 sets of guests.
What do you mean?
One next week for 2 weeks, and then before we go to our cruise, our friends from Singapore will come to Singapore. One's from Iceland, the other one's from Singapore.
You're gonna have a lot of bakery. Again.
Oh, I told him not to.
I know.
Is that confirmed? Singapore?
Yeah.
Is that the same couple that was cooking last time?
Yes.
The one from Iceland. Yeah.
I don't think I want to go to Iceland. I'm not a nature My friends have went there.
Who?
Our friends.
Went there?
Nakakalagyan mo.
Yeah.
Oh, they didn't have a summer. This year it was called the whole time. Even during the summer.
She's gone. It was just an experience. I think you're going to like it because you're not, you don't love nature. Or like, I just want to see, what's it, the Northern Lights?
Hey guys.
You can only see the northern lights in the wintertime. And you don't want to go there in the wintertime. Yeah.
Starting September you can see it. It depends.
Kaya na nga lang kumain ito tayo. Iba naman.
Do you feel like it needs some salt?
No, ito pa oh. Manaubos yung ako.
Ang sarap yung sa isang Korean.
Excuse me, can I have one Sprite, please? Thank you.
Hindi tayo. Yaman. Kamisa naman.
Ano ba yan? Beef. Next one. I like Gabi.
Gabi and Concepcion.
I like bulgogi. I was just afraid I can't chew it. Ano ba kayo ng hearing, Kuya? Nanonood kayo ng hearing? Naalala ko sila yung mayor sa inyo na pinatay. Ganun lang din yung ano.
Focus program.
Illegal gambling in the Philippines.
Chinese those.
I'm sure there's politicians involved though.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Who are the politicians involved?
They're like a syndicate. They're people that started it.
Follow the money.
They're wanted in China. And there's one in Thailand that's already in prison. Same syndicate.
Why is the hearing on TV all the time?
Government employees are.
So, and who is involved?
Huh?
Some senators.
Senators. The PCSO General Manager.
It is recorded. You're gonna be charged with ano yun? Label.
Not telling names. He was involved in killing one of the officers of CCSO who was ready to testify against her. Because they hired a gunman. Oh yeah, birthday.
You want fried rice, David?
I don't think you can have it.
What about you?
Yeah.
I think Marcos Jr. He's doing a good job. He's doing a good job.
Yeah, surprising.
Huh?
Surprising.
His rating is.
We are talking politics.
He's confronting China
Turn
too.
this off.
We're like Chinese illegal gambling. It's not.
Happy birthday, Gigi! Unang kagat daw kay Ate Alice na hindi naman siya kumakain.
They own like a whole like how many hectares in
Saan yung
one
plastic
area?
nilagay niya sa upuan?
And there's a lot of buildings there. That's where they harvest the people that they kill.
The day before.
Grabe mga kuratsa. Sino
When
ba
you
sa
get the first
kakain?
one, same day.
Busog.
Oh, same day. 8 a.m.
Masyado malapit sa akin pagmumog.
You will have to how are you gonna go there? You gonna take Uber? Oh, you're gonna go. Less than 2 miles from our house. You don't know. Oh, it's the same day.
Ngayon na pong natira sa amin nila Fanga.
3:45.
Lalagyan na lang. Hindi, marami pa.
So we're gonna leave.
Busog na busog.
Days are you going? 14.
So, ayan po, magtitip, 20. $20. Laki. Kukupitin ko yung tip na yun. You're in candid camera. Ay, card nalaglag sa phone mo. Hindi mo naramdaman? Buti na lang tumayo ako. Kaway-kaway ko sa mga kakuracha dyan. Ito po ang ating mga... Oh, naintindihan niya. Sabi ko kaway-kaway. You understand what I said, ha? Kaway-kaway. Kaway-kaway. Thanks mga kakuracha. Mga kakuracha, yan o tipo. Papaunahin ko sila, mamaya nanakawin ko. $20. Ang laki. Eh, kita ko na yan ah. Diyos me. $20? Oh, go ahead. I'm gonna clean the table. $20 ang tip nila. Yayamanin. Ayan po. Oh. Pag nawala yan, alam nyo na kung sino kumuha ako. Joke. You put dedication. This is for the... Or else I'm gonna take it.
See? Oh, it's actually below. Look at their suggested.
How?
Okay, here.
How much?
For 15%, it's $21.
It's not compulsory. Is it compulsory? Well, no, they are using the Filipinos don't really give tip. Mga kakuracha, huwag kayo maingay na nakawin ko yung tip, $20. Ba, 1,000 na yan, ha? Wala namang makakaalam pag kinuha ko yan, di ba?
There's two Japanese. Yeah.
Ito po yung masungit na nagdadapog-dapog. Malabo yata yung camera ko. Ligpitan time na po. Eh, we're done. Eating. So, ayun.
Tomorrow's our skip day. Once a week.
Kahit ano ba yung bibili natin, sabi ko? Ha?
They're almost 7 days a week. 2.25 miles. How many miles?
Babay na po mga kuracho. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Bye! To my next vlog. Wait muna, magsasalamin muna ako. Woo! Kahit pumada pa ako, magsasalamin ako. Si Don pa. Nabusog ka ba? Nakabukol nga yung pansit sa'yo. Nakabukol sa tiyan. Akala ni Boyd, kukunin ko talaga yung 20. Akala ni Boyd, kukunin ko talaga yung 20. Pinipigil yung kamay ko. So, eto po. Tapos na kaming kumain. Hindi naman ganun kasarap. Pwede na din. Thank you, ate. Thank you, everybody. Sa ate nagbayad. Alam niyo naman ako inisente sa ibang pagkain. Gusto ko lang yung luto ko. But the important thing is we got together. So, nag-celebrate. So, ayun. Parang ano lang, garahe ng bahay eh. Oh. Tingnan nyo. Pero maluwag. Madami rin kumakain. Pero to think na peak hours ngayon, lunchtime, hindi siya puno.
Ang lakas ng chat doon pala. Sila yung nagpanalo eh.
Mga combo-combo.
Parang champion this champion. Kasi parang tournament yun eh. Parang US versus Japan.
Bye! Simanet lang. God bless us all.
$12 is your first year if you sign up for automatic renewal. And the second year is going to be 16.
Dilim!
Those are Okay. I'm gonna take Doenjang, which is Korean miso sauce, miso paste.
Where are you going, te?
Yeah, ours is
To the Hukila?
2320